Hi everyone, I'm Mark from KSCAN-X. Great to see you again. In our last video, I walked you through how to do a basic scan with KSCAN-X. And today, let's take a closer look at one of its standout features, the customizable button. The customizable button, or C1 button, is super handy. You can set it up to do all sorts of things that feature a workflow, like calibration, creating a new scan, resetting, guiding, and more. Of course, with our DefinSight software. Let me show you how to set it up. Open up DefinSight, head over to Configuration, Program Settings, Button Settings, and there you'll find the options for the C1 button. Just pick the functions you want from the drop-down menu. For example, we can assign Add a New Scan to C1 button. When we finish one side, just hit the button and flip the part and keep going. No need to touch the laptop. Or if you're unhappy with the current scan, just set it to reset. We press the button and we're instantly ready to try again. And you can assign multiple functions too, making your whole process faster and smoother. That's a quick look at what this C1 button can do. If you've got any questions or want to learn more, just feel free to drop us an email. Thanks for watching and see you next time.